Hello, this is Jeffrey Cantwell. I'm a big fan of music in all its forms, so I thought I might read a record review written by me for Robin Trower's Bridge of Sighs album, which is a kind of a formulaic but well-played hard rock release that I find fascinating. It's a well-known fact that whoever dug this album the first time around is now either dead or in jail. Bridge of Sighs is a monster, a coiled-up snake tattoo, full of manly Guitar Hero toughness from the days when cars had choke plates and carburetors and no seatbelts. It's a solid form in rock, plus the great, graceful alley roll. They fought in Zaire as this record stormed the charts. Welcome back, my friends, to the sound of Hard Rock America, 1974. Robin Trower toiled on lead guitar with British progressives Procol Harum from their Duran label debut through their die-cut Broken Barricades LP. But he never quite got the showcase to shred as mightily as he would once he split for solo artistry. And by that time the popular taste had shifted in Trower's harder direction, peerless as he was among the flock of ersatz Jimi Hendrix disciples. Other worthy contenders include Alvin Lee, Frank Marino, Randy California, et al. The satisfying twice removed from yesterday was his first Procol release, but Bridge of Sighs shall be his legacy. I paid 50 cents for this LP, bought from a reliable source with a rasping cough and a denim jacket with elbows worn as thin as the vinyl. No great find in terms of obscurity. This album reached number 7 on the hit parade, but it's still a prime artifact from that long-lost era of unself-conscious boogie. The power trio that made Bridge of Sighs planted a flag high upon the rough-hewn crags of Blues Rock Mountain. If you're quiet, you can hear the wind whistling over the remains of the counterculture on the title track. That said, Trower hardly innovates in his chosen style, but he felt it just the same. Flanked by vocalist and bassist James Dewar, who sings sufficiently like Paul Rodgers, and Reg Isidore, who might as well be laying brick as playing drums. This is meat and potatoes rock cut with the edge of Trower's hand. Listen for the cowbell kicking off Lady Love. This is rock without shame, not yet cliché. Expect abrupt fade-outs when you know the band jammed for another 3 hours. The 7 minutes plus of a song like Two Rolling Stoned might not radicalize your politics, but it no doubt passed the time as the world cruised in between gas lines. And if you insist on listening to the words, then here's a sample, courtesy of Little Bit of Sympathy. So fill your cup and drink it on up, for tomorrow never comes. If you wield the rod, answer to your God. But me, I'll be up and gone. If the sea was glass and the land all gone, would you still be a friend to me? When my time has passed, is it too much to ask for a little bit of sympathy? What's he even talking about? A third world war? A former lover? Some righteous cosmic jive everybody was down with in '74? These are questions for the Genesis fans. Just put this deuce on the car stereo. It'll turn even your Nissan Cube into a supercharged Ford Ranchero, El Lobo Solo written on the side in gleaming flash paint. You can feel your mustache grow and wave in the breeze with the windows down. This LP comes guaranteed to make your fingers smell like pot stems and Genesee cream ale.